First of all, take 2 ice cream sticks and a geared motor. I'm using 3-volt DC motor. Now use hot glue gun or any other glue to attach the ice cream stick with the DC geared motor. Make sure you attach the ice cream stick in the direction of the shaft of the DC motor. Attach both in opposite sides. Just like this now. Now take another ice cream stick. First of all, mark it with a pencil, and then now take a cutter and make it half. Now attach these two pieces. It should look something like this now. Now make a hole in the end of the small piece of the ice cream stick. Now take a metal rod and insert it into the hole of the ice cream stick like this. Now take 2 tires or wheels and attach at the end of the metal rod. Done. Now take 2 bottle caps. You can use tires or wheel. Now attach these 2 tires with the shaft of the DC motor. As there are 2 shafts, attach both of the tires or bottle caps with both of them. Now glue it so that it won't get off. Now main part is the solar plate. Now take the solar plate and take the cap off. If your solar panel don't have a cap, you can attach the solar plate directly to the ice cream stick. I am using this cap because by this it will help me to easily remove the solar plate again. It can be attached with the body like this. It should look something like this. Now let's make the circuit. Take 2 wires and attach them with the DC motor. Now attach the solar panel with two wires. Now cut one wire of the DC motor which is attached with the solar plate, and then attach a button. Connect these two wires with the button. Give me the Wi-Fi.